Hello devs, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to install Tailwind CSS in our React project. So this is my React project already installed in my PC. So let's go to Google and search for React Tailwind. So click on first site. You can see install Tailwind CSS in my React project. So this is the installation guide. So create your project first. Create your project. So using npx create React app. So I already created my React project. So uh, I I don't need to install project again. So you need to follow the installation guide from second step onwards. So you can see install Tailwind CSS. So simply copy these two commands. I'm copying and paste it in my project terminal. Okay, run. Okay, also copy second command npm npx tailwind css in it, and I will copy and then paste it in your terminal. Run. You can see a file is created with tailwind.config.js. Open this file and you can see, and go to documentation, and you, you have to update a content array. So simply copy these file extensions, okay, and then paste it in content array, okay, and add the tailwind css directives to your css, and add this code in source index.css file. So copy this code and simply open source folder, and you can see index.css here. So simply paste our code here, okay, then close this file, and yeah, you successfully installed Tailwind CSS. Now simply run our React project. So Let's clear my console and let's start my React project. npm start and close this file and open our index app.js. Okay, my project is started and you can see my project here. So I'm removing this block of code and adding simply hello world, and you can see hello world here. So I'm taking it to a paragraph, e tag and hello world. Making some changes using Tailwind CSS, and Tailwind CSS is represented using class name. So um, I'm increasing my text color with green, and you can see the color of my text, and I'm increasing my font size. Text, I'm into Excel, and you can see my font is increased, and also I'm making my text too bold, and you can see here. And so this is how you can install Tailwind CSS in your React project. I hope you got the process.